August 2nd, 2019. A day that sneakerheads will remember as one of the craziest and biggest shock drops in history. It's a day that will forever be remembered as Yeezy Day. Are we going to see another one again this year? What's up, guys? It's J.A. And if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for the new video. It's coming right up next, y'all. So what is up? What's going on, everybody? Want to welcome y'all back to the channel. Huge shout out to all the supporters, as always. Appreciate you guys so much. And special shout out to everybody that checked out the Yeezy Talk podcast. We wrapped up episode 11 last night. So if you guys don't know, we shoot the podcast live every Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. So come check it out. And thank you to my co-hosts, Bless CM, St. Kansas, and the 500 King. Prince Mark Anthony, love you guys. So we do like fit ratings and all that good stuff. The podcast, I gotta say, is a lot of fun for me. It's a lot more unfiltered than the content you see on the channel here. We do subscriber fit ratings and all that stuff. So guys, don't get in your feelings. Don't take it too serious. It's just a lot of fun and games. So love you guys. But anyways, Yeezy Day 2020. Is it happening? What kind of releases can we expect? And is this going to be just a US release? So what is Yeezy Day? Yeezy Day occurred last year, August 2nd, 2019. This started at 6 a.m. and it was an event of restocks of past releases all throughout the day. So those restocks included several popular 350 V2s, 500s, 700 V1s and V2s, as well as a couple of 750s, I believe. So Yeezy Day actually started off as a complete mystery and shock drop. The rollout for it is sometime previous before the 6 a.m. drop. There was a countdown timer on Yeezy Supply, so everybody was speculating on what the drop would be. So then 6 a.m. rolled around and we saw a drop for the Butters and Frozen Yellow 350 V2s. So everyone was like, all this hype just for a restock of, which at the time were like, people didn't really like those models as much. But then there was also another countdown. So after every like 30 minutes or so, another drop would come, then another drop, then another drop. So the excitement of seeing what release would come next made the day a whole lot of fun, and they periodically release drops throughout the day up until about 7 p.m. So restock upon restock. Some of the most notable releases of the day, we had the Zebra 350 V2, the glow in the dark 350 V2, we had the 700 V2 static, and we had the chocolate 750s, just to name some of the popular releases. So I'm not gonna lie, a lot of these releases were really hard to cop. The drops would bounce from Yeezy Supply, then after the timer ran out, the next drop would go on Adidas. I managed to actually cop, I believe, in the entire day out of all the restocks, just triple white 350s and utility black 500s. So Yeezy Day 2020, is it happening? From my understanding, Yeezy Day 2019 occurred because there were several pairs that were returned. Stock came from leftover warehouse inventory. Now this year, it seems like what they've been doing as they've been promoting the Adidas app very heavy is giving exclusive random access to users on the Adidas app. So because of that reason, a lot of people speculate that we won't see a Yeezy Day 2020. So with the anniversary of Yeezy Day slowly approaching us, I can definitely see a Yeezy Day 2020 happening. Adidas has continued to drop restocks with exclusive access in limited quantities to selected members via the Adidas app. Why would they stop there? An Adidas Day 2020 would make perfect sense, more money to make. As you guys know, a lot of these Yeezy releases have been very limited. According to rumors, they have held back several pairs during releases, meaning there should be a lot of stock left over that I believe they would try to sell during a Yeezy Day. Not only that, but Yeezy Day creates a lot of noise in the sneaker world. With what's going on with Kanye, I feel like Yeezy Day would be a great distraction for the corporate heads at Adidas to try to cash out on a lot of these leftover stock pairs that they've been kind of holding back to create more of a hype with these Yeezy releases. So what can we expect for Yeezy Day? So as you guys know, on the Adidas app, they've been giving a lot of exclusive access to previous 350 V2s as well as 500 releases. So I could see definitely them dropping probably the Bone 500s, definitely, as well as the Soft Vision 500s, and a lot of the previous 350 V2 releases, like for example, the Cinders, the Linens, releases like that. Now, unfortunately, for all of my international people, I don't think it's gonna be an international release, as last year, Yeezy Day was just a US exclusive, but we can only hope for the best. So let me know what you guys think about Yeezy Day 2020. Do you think it could happen? And what releases would you guys like to see them drop for Yeezy Day? So appreciate each and every one of you guys. As always, I'm J.A. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all.